Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use keyframes in Filmora. Keyframes are incredibly powerful tools that let you animate various properties of your video clips, images, or effects over time. Think of them as markers that tell Filmora exactly what a property, like position or opacity, should be at a specific moment. By setting multiple keyframes, you can create smooth, custom animations, bringing a professional touch to your projects. Let's dive right into setting up your first keyframe animation. To begin, select the clip you wish to animate on your timeline and double-click it to access its Properties panel. Look for the Animation tab, then select Customize to reveal the keyframe options. You'll see a small diamond icon next to properties like Position or Scale. Click this icon to set your initial keyframe. Now, move your playhead a few seconds forward, adjust the property, and Filmora will automatically add a second keyframe, creating your first animation. Once you have your keyframes set, you can easily refine your animation. On the timeline, you'll see the keyframe markers. Simply drag them to change when an animation starts or ends, controlling its speed. For smoother transitions, right-click a keyframe to choose an interpolation method, such as linear for constant speed or ease in for a gradual start. Use the navigation arrows in the Properties panel to jump between keyframes for precise adjustments. Keyframes aren't just for basic motion. You can apply them to almost any property in Filmora, including effects, masks, and even text titles. Imagine animating a blur effect or a title's opacity over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with combining different animated properties, like position and scale, to create truly unique and engaging visuals. With a little practice, you'll be crafting sophisticated, professional-looking animations in no time.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.